In this video, we'll just explain what simple interest is, which will help in the context of solving money problems. If you're revising, you can pause the video and have a go at example 1. In example 1, Theo invests £500 at a rate of 6% per year, simple interest. We need to work out the interest he receives in 1 year. So in 1 year, he receives 6% of £500. 6% as a decimal is 0.06. So we can multiply by 0.06 and we would work out that he gets £30 interest. Part B is to work out the value of his investment after 5 years. Because it's simple interest, they don't consider the amount that's going to be in the account after 1 year and then work out interest in that. That's called compound interest. Simple interest just means, well, if you put in £500, 6% of that's £30, and we'll give you that every year. So for 5 years, we'll give you 5 30s, which is 150. So that's how much interest he would earn after 5 years. And just to point out, it says work out the value of his investment after 5 years, not how much interest he receives. So the investment, he's going to have the £500 plus the interest he's earned over 5 years, which then makes it £650. That is the value of his investment after 5 years.